Hello everyone, my name is Vidya and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some of the books that are great for people who love mountains just like me. So first of all, I want to know how are you doing? I hope everyone's doing great. इतनी गर्मी हो रही है और I'm talking about mountains. बहुत लोगों का प्लान बन रहा होगा जाने का. मेरा भी हर समय मन करता ही रहता है. और these books are great reads for the upcoming winters. तो क्योंकि अभी तो आप पढ़ोगे तो आपका दिमाग ख़राब हो जाएगा कि यार मुझे जाना है जाना है जाना है. इफ़ यू कैन मेक इट यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रेड द होल summer season, I guess. But if you are that kind of a person, because I'm a crazy fan of mountains. I love winter season and I love cozy aesthetics. सब कुछ मुझे ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो if you are also a kindred spirit, then join in. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So the first book that I want to talk about is Heidi by Johanna Spyri. बहुत लोगों ने पढ़ी होगी. इसका एक छोटा सा एक्सट्रैक्ट हमारे कोर्स बुक में था व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 5th आई थिंक. वो एक्सट्रैक्ट भी बहुत प्यारा सा था. देयर इज़ नॉट much to the story, but the way it's written is really beautiful. So ये मैं यहाँ से आपको I'll just read the synopsis and then we can later on talk about how the book is framed and everything else. So Heidi is an orphaned girl raised by her aunt Diti, and she is left in the care of her rude grandfather. With her sweet temperament and innocence, Heidi wins over her grandfather, but is taken away to Frankfurt to become a companion to the disabled Clara. She befriends her but grows homesick and is advised to be sent back to her grandfather. Clara visits her and her health improves, but Peter, Heidi's old friend, grows jealous of their closeness and pushes Clara's wheelchair down the hill. Ultimately, with her determination and willpower, Clara learns to walk and her overjoyed grandparents promise to provide a shelter to Heidi. One of the most celebrated children's fictions of Swiss literature, Heidi brings out the message that goodness and virtue are rewarded and love and honesty always triumph. That's about the story. That is essentially what the story is. लेकिन जिस तरीके से इसको लिखा गया है, that is the main thing. First of all, the descriptions. It's exquisite. To every mountain lover, Heidi feels like longing. It makes you crave the alpine air, the crisp alpine air, quiet sunsets, wooden cabins, and goat milk. It makes you aware of the magical powers of nature, and by the end of it, you are going to crave mountains in such a way that you're not just going to admire them, you would want to run towards them. And that is the part that this book holds. And to have that kind of experience through the story of a character like Heidi is a cherry on top. क्योंकि Heidi is so adorable. She's all the time worried about everyone's pain. किसी को भी कोई दुख नहीं होना चाहिए. और छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में लोगों को कंफर्ट देने में जो उसको खुशी मिलती है. She's all the time in a mood to have some sort of solution for the problems that people are having. और वो अगर किसी तरीके से वो कंफर्ट प्रोवाइड कर पाए उन्हें, तो that is what brings her pure joy. और वहाँ से पता चलता है how innocent children are and how these days they are just striped of their innocence, because mostly they are just exposed to unnecessary crap, absolute garbage that's there on the internet, and it's in the atmosphere now. It's a reflection on that, it's a strong reflection on that, and it will also take you back to your childhood when days were simple, and small things used to bring you joy. So it's a great book. माउंटेन लवर्स के लिए तो मैंने बता ही दिया है कि क्यों इट्स अ ग्रेट बुक, और मैं ये भी बोलना चाहती हूँ टू ऑल द पीपल हु आर वॉचिंग मी राइट नाउ, इफ़ यू टर्न इन टू माई सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड you know join in my journey, तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि I also want to create that kind of a space up there in the mountains, and I am today promising myself and to you guys that one day I am definitely gonna make it खुद के पैसों से. So that's that. Moving on to the next book. So the next book that I want to talk about is an autobiography on a person that I have had a big author crush on. And I like an author crush when he used to write in his younger years. And he's my favorite writer, and I've read a lot of books by him. So here it is. It's Lone Fox Dancing by Ruskin Bond, and look at the cover. आपको अच्छे से दिखे. Nice, no? And it's green from inside. I'll just show you. सबसे पहले तो अगर मुझे किसी को कन्विंस करना है कि ये किताब पढ़ लो, I think first of all I think it's a very good book for anyone and everyone, but definitely anyone and everyone who has read at least a few stories by him, for sure short stories bhi chalengi, but if then I have to convince that tribe to read this book, I would suggest you to first read the prologue. I love it, and I don't think that it will not compel you to buy the book right away. Go and read the prologue right now. And one thing about Ruskin Bond is that why I'm so easily able to call a man who is in his, I think, 90s now to be so charming, and I'm able to call him my crush, is because he never felt like an old person to me. Like I'm telling you, and it's there in his writings, in his interviews, and it's written here in his prologue as well. It's written that, I'll read it out to you, that it has never taken a lot to make me happy. And now here I am, an old man, an old writer without regrets. But I must correct that. I decided long ago to stop trying to grow up. And writers are only as old as or as young as their readers. So here I am, a young boy, an old writer without regrets. वो खुद को भी कंसिडर करते नहीं हैं ओल्ड, और वो ही इज़ नेवर गिवन दैट वाइब दैट्स ऑलवेज कमांडिंग. ये होता है ना ओल्डीज़ में स्पेशली, ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है दैट नाउ दैट आई हैव सो मच ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू बी ऑल द टाइम correcting people, commanding people, or just telling them what's right and what's wrong. And many a times it comes out of pure concern for you as well. But he is not that kind of a person, or at least I haven't ever felt him coming across like that. Or that is the thing that I just absolutely love about him. और वो जो उनकी जो चार्मिंग क्यूरियस पर्सनालिटी थी, वो आप उनकी शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ में हमेशा पाओगे. एंड आई स्पेशली recommend you to also read Time Stops at Shamli if you have seen Heli's channel, Heli Chatterjee. She is a big YouTuber, booktuber now. And she was the one who gave this recommendation on her channel, and I had instantly grabbed that book, Time Stops at Shamli, and I loved it. So अगर किसी को जस्ट स्टार्ट करना है तो वो पढ़ ले और उसके बाद तुरंत ये किताब पढ़े. और इसमें भी उन why this book is very appropriate for mountain lovers is because he is a big lover of mountains, and he talks about his room that's windswept, and from where he can look at the clouds and the vast landscape, and he's so fond of nature and mountain trees. वो सारी वाइब इसमें भरपूर है. सो इफ़ यू आर अ माउंटेन लवर, you must grab this book. And if you haven't read anything by him, then also you must read a few short stories and then quickly grab this one. So that was it about this video. मैंने जितना सोचा था, जितना समझा था, उतना सब कुछ उस हिसाब से आपको recommendations दे दी हैं. I'll come up with even more recommendations. Do tell me in the comment section below if there are any certain topics that you people are interested in, on which I should come up with book recommendations. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.